Are you curious about how to scan QR codes using your Android phone? In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to quickly and easily scan QR codes on your Android device. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this. Then swipe down again to see all of the buttons. So now what you want to do next is find this button called Scan QR Code. Just tap that button. And then point your camera's viewfinder at the QR code that you want to scan. It will scan the QR code and show you all the information, and it'll give you these options. If you don't have this button to scan QR codes or can't find it, then what you want to do is just open up the camera app on your Android device and then simply point the viewfinder at the QR code that you want to scan. If you still can't scan the QR code, then you can try downloading a QR code scanner app from the Google Play Store. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.